Did you sleep well? Everything?
Come and move that in my direction.
Hi, G.
Such a blessing. Turn every
Oh, you still tired of your work?
Oh, you
Oh,
are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling some kind of way. Make me wanna savor every moment slowly. You fit me, telling me love how you put it on. The only key know how to turn it.
you have to chill. You have to relax. You think positive as always. Drink more water and everything. Yeah. Hello. Pag nag 4 stars ako, I will dance. Tired na talaga yung suot ko, guys. Like, yeah, work another work and until up tonight. Hi, Troy. Bakit JL? Oh, I think you have a lot of customers today. Manifesting. Mamaya, JL. Babae ka, no? Hi, boy. Is it? Oh my gosh. Ano ba ginagawa mo? Ba't ka makagigil? Hello? RJ, baby. Hello?
Quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Para que te diga cosas para que
Yes, despacito.
quiero desnudarte a besos despacito.
I hope I can help you, Mr. Chef. Sus, binobola-bola pa ako ni Jen. Hindi ako maganda dahil wala pang ligo. I hope I can help you. I can... Yeah. Grabe, oh. Danny.
This is how we do it down in Puerto Rico. I just want to hear you screaming. I can live forever. Stay right.
Pasito. Suave. Habang ito, babe. Abelio, hello. Si JL talaga binobola ako eh. Bigyan mo nga ako ng piso. Sorry. Ang budol pa.